Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete or restore chat in Microsoft Teams step by step. There's an important desktop change you need to know about. First, if you're using a personal Microsoft Teams free account, deleting chats works the same everywhere. Open the chat tab in the left sidebar on desktop or tap chat at the bottom on mobile. Find the chat you want to remove. On desktop, right-click the chat and select Delete. On Android, long press the chat and tap Delete. On iPhone, swipe left on the chat, tap More, then Delete. Click Delete again in the confirmation, and the chat disappears. Sometimes it takes a minute to sync, so close and reopen Teams if it's still showing. For work or school accounts, it's different. As of November 2024, Microsoft removed the delete option from the desktop app and replaced it with hide only. But the mobile app still lets you delete chats completely, and when you do, it syncs to desktop. So if you're on a work account and want to delete a chat, grab your phone. Open Teams on your iPhone or Android device with the same account. Tap chat at the bottom, find the chat you want to delete. On Android, long press the chat and tap delete. On iPhone, swipe left, tap more, then delete. Confirm by tapping delete again. For group chats, the button says leave instead of delete, but it removes the chat from your view either way. Give it a few minutes to sync, then close and reopen Teams on your computer. The chat should be gone. If you need to restore a deleted chat, your options are limited. You cannot restore it yourself. Ask someone from that chat to message you again. If they send a new message, the chat reappears with the full history. If files were shared in the chat, those might be recoverable. Open OneDrive in your browser, go to My Files, then look for Microsoft Teams chat files. If a file's missing, check the recycle bin in the left sidebar. Select the file and click Restore. You've got 93 days to do this before it's permanently deleted. For actual message recovery, only your IT administrator can help, and only if your organization already had retention policies enabled before you deleted the chat. Contact IT with the exact date, time, chat name, and participants. They'll use the Microsoft Purview Compliance Center to run an e-discovery search. If they find the messages, they can export them as a file for review, but they cannot put them back into the active Teams chat. If no retention policy was in place before deletion, the messages are gone for good. One last thing, when you delete a chat, it only removes it from your view. Other participants still have their copy, and any files or links you shared remain accessible to them. If you just want to stop notifications, use mute or hide instead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.